All right, guys, so I'm on my way to check out the Marengo cave on this lovely gloomy day, which is slightly west of Louisville. I've been to Louisville a few times here and there. Thinking that it's gonna be about maybe about an hour and a half drive from where I am currently now, which is in Indianapolis. Now I'm ready to roll. I've had something to eat. I have everything set. I've got all my equipment that I'm gonna use as far as camera and videotaping. Now it's time to hit the road. You guys ready to roll with me? Let's do it. Still got about 50 more miles to go. All right, guys, so I'm finally here. I'm super excited. It was about 2.5 hours drive, but I'm finally here. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. How about you guys? All right, let's go inside and see what we got. All right, it's coming down pretty good here. It looks pretty nice. I'm gonna have to check it out when it's not raining so much. I just purchased my ticket. Now I gotta wait about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, it's gonna be showtime. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so we've made it about halfway through, and it's looking awesome up in here. I'm pretty enthused, I'm pretty impressed, I'm pretty excited. Hoping you guys gonna love the video. So I just finished up the tour. It was pretty awesome. I'm happy I came. Peace out.